Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh.
Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to create your Facebook business cover photo using Canva. Ito pong Canva ko, free account lang, and you can also have that. All you have to do is go to canva.com and create a free account. Okay, so ganito. And all you have to do is go to the templates. Meron na po kasing pre-installed templates na po pwede mong paggayahan. They're all here. Okay, so documents, personal, education, marketing, events, ads, and dito tayo sa social media. So, social media, eto pa nakikita nyo, Facebook cover. Kasi iyan yung right size to create a Facebook cover photo. So, i-click natin yan. And then you can choose anything, just anything. Gusto nyo picture nyo, gusto nyo yung mga pre-installed templates. Pag nilagay nyo to, pero syempre hanap kayo ng free dahil yung iba po paid. Okay? So let's say for example ito, kung ayaw nyo naman, pwede nyo rin tanggalin. And then, punta kayo dito sa photos, hanap kayo ng gusto nyo. Let's say for example ito, then you can just drag the edges and do like that, and then go and find your choice of, lalagyan nyo lang siya ng heading. Let's say for example 21. Okay, tanggalin natin to. Let's say for example 21 days FB ads challenge. Okay, and then syempre isasentro nyo siya. Okay, madali lang naman kasi may guide. Okay po, ayan, sentro na siya. And then you can put a lot more others. Halimbawa dito you can choose this, and then i-drag nyo rin siya, and then like that, palitan nyo siya ng color over here. Let's say for example black, and then or put your, meron ditong uploads, pwede nyong ilagay yung inyong logo, and then resize, ayan, or put anything else over here. Halimbawa po yung email ninyo, or a headline for your business, or something that make people know what is your business about. Okay? So, pwede natin gawin yan dito. Tapos palitan natin. Ito, piliin natin, subheading. If you want to change the font, punta lang kayo dito. Then, choose a free font. Yung mga may ganyan po, premium yan. Pwede yan sa mga paid account. Okay, so, we're going to choose, hanap tayo ng iba. Medyo maganda-ganda. Let's say, for example, this one. Okay, so may subheading ka na, and then, pick a color. Just an example. And then, sentro natin and change it. Let's say I will put live, dream, enjoy. Kahit ano, bahala po kayo. You can just do anything you like. So, ganyan. And then, go here. And then, download it. That's it. Tapos, mapupunta na po yan sa inyong computer. And you can upload it to your business page. That's it. And I'll see you next video.